What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jim and today I'm gonna show you how to make these beautiful drone footages that the spinny things you have seen on Instagram, and if you came from the reel and so you know what I'm talking about. It's very simple.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back.
So I'm editing my video on a MacBook Pro and I'm using Final Cut Pro as my software to edit my video, but it does not matter. What matters is if you have a laptop and an editing software, be it can be DaVinci, Sony Vegas or Adobe Premiere, it does not matter. Just need an editing software and a laptop and you're good to go. Alright, here we are. We have selected the new project on the Final Cut Pro. We're gonna select custom. We're gonna choose the custom and select 1080 by 1920. That's your resolution for Instagram Reels. And press OK. Alright, so we have the project ready. We're gonna go and find ourselves a footage. I'm gonna use this footage that I shot in Agonda in Goa. I think this one is the one. Yeah, right here, this one. This is one of my favorite shots my friend Amit Raj took of me. He's my best friend and he's one of the best videographers I met. So I'm gonna leave his link in the description. Go check it out. He has 2 accounts and go follow him. He's really a great guy and does some amazing drone shots. Alright, so we're gonna drag that clip onto our timeline. And now we're gonna choose which part of the video we would like to have. So before that, we're gonna zoom in so that we can fill up the space. As you can see, the reel format is the portrait, right? So we have to zoom in, scale all, like we have to zoom in the footage to fit in the reel. And it always helps if you have the video in 4K. As you can see in the top right corner, because we have a 4K video, when you zoom in, the quality does not we do not lose on the quality of the video. So it's always important if you have shot in 4K and then once you zoom in, the quality still remains the same. It's still a good quality. So now we're gonna find the part of the footage that we would like to have in the video. I think this part looks pretty good. Now I'm going to import music for my video. I've chosen Sick Kick Talking to the Moon remix. However, I'm just going to use this music for reference and not use it as a track because I do not want any violations on my video. Alright, so we're going to choose the part of the song we would like to have in the music and where exactly in the video we want. So this seems like a good spot to start. And now I'm trying to find where the beat drops and that's where I'm exactly gonna pinpoint where the beat drops, and that's when the spinning of the video will start. And this is the other point where the beat drops, so that's where the spinning stops and we completely tilt it over the phone. So we're gonna go ahead and slice our video right there. This is where we had pinpoint our video. This is where the spinning will start and this is where the spinning will end. So we're gonna slice that part of the video as well, right there. Now this is the important part of the video. Make sure your cursor is on the start of the video. Now you have to go on the top right corner and choose the keyframe and go towards the end of the video of that same sliced video. Go to the end of the video and choose and type -90 degrees in the rotation. So now it's flipped. And now if you see, now the video will just start spinning. So there you go, the effect is done. Now the only problem is in the corners you saw those little black corners, right? We don't need that because that will just ruin the feel and the effect of the video. So to do that, we have to zoom in more. Now I found 360% of zooming is the perfect, because then if I check throughout the rest of the video, I don't see that black spot anymore. So that's pretty good. Like 361% of zooming in is pretty good. That's why you need a 4K video, because if you zoom in, you still don't lose on the quality. Now let's adjust the zooming of all the rest of the video, the front and the end. So we have put 361% for the start of the video and the end as well. Now let's just watch. And there you go. There's your perfect transition. I know we're gonna change this to 361 as well. There you go, perfect. Let's just watch it again. There you go, it's perfect. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, you have a perfect transition reel. Now all you have to do is go out there, shoot a bomb ass drone video, come back and edit it like this. So our video is good to go. Now we're gonna quickly put in the titles, we're gonna put the text of slowly move your phone to the left, and we're gonna add the countdown of 3, 2, 1 and logo, whatever you want, and there you go. I'm not gonna show how this is done. This is pretty simple, so I'm just gonna fast forward the whole thing. Okay, our video is ready. So now we don't really need the track because it was just used for reference. We're gonna use the track from Instagram. So we're gonna share this video, render it. We're gonna hit O, choose the region, the start and the end of it. Go to File, Share, use Master File. Go to Settings, choose Better Quality, then 1820 by 1920. Go next, select the name, whatever name you would like to choose for your project. I'm gonna write Gym Tilt and we're gonna hit save. There you go. And the video is rendered and saved on the desktop. There you go. Let's just have a quick look. Boom, there you go. And the video is ready. The music is not there because I had removed the music from the video because we just use the music as reference. We can upload the same video on our Instagram and use the audio from the original, the creator. We do not want any copyright infringement. So there you go, the beautiful reel is ready. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you guys try it out. If you do tag me in the video and I will share that video on my Instagram story. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Do give it a like and subscribe to my channel.